How's it going, everyone? My name is MJ Vallejo and you're watching my 2018 reel. It's been such a fun year for me. It's actually my very first full year of being a freelance creative. I met so many great people along the way, including clients and other creatives as well, that helped me learn and better refine my craft. You know, I do want to do a quick shout out to some of the people that were on this 2018 journey for me. That's including Ryan, JV, JP, Mark, and Mazzy. Thank you so much for being there, while I'm doing what makes me, the most happy. So without further ado, let's get this reel going.